to get what I want, to reach what I need. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high. Every one of us needs. I got wings on my back and I'm ready to leave. There is love in my heart that will help me to start my journey to within. With faith I must begin. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back and I'm ready to leave. Wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high. race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. Embrace it all.
Welcome to evening session. Before we start our session, can you please confirm if you can hear us and see us? Good evening, Usha ji. Usha ji joins us from India. One of my very old student, Sasi ji, Jyoti ji, Priyanka, Meenakshi, Surender ji. Welcome to the evening session. You can confirm today is our last day of this week, and then we have 2 more weeks to go before we start our face-to-face session. Pawan ji, good evening. If you are online, you may want to say hi so we know that you are there. All good. Thank you so much, Pawan ji, Surendra ji, for confirming. I hope you had a wonderful day today. It's been a very busy day for me as well. We are planning so many sessions now, and as I said that we are going to very soon have face-to-face session. This COVID break has given us many challenges in terms of how we operate, how do we continue to operate viably so that we can run the sessions. There are many changes happening and many more programs are coming for kids, for adults, and it's been very difficult to get the halls because now everyone wants to go to sessions and the classes have started, so getting the time from the halls particularly very difficult, and we are trying our best to get as many as slot possible so that we can start our sessions. So the first session will start happening from 26th Sunday in Westmead Scout Hall, 5:30 to 6:30, and unfortunately we'll have to stop all our live sessions from 23rd, which is 2 weeks after. On Thursday will be last session. So thank you very much again joining. Without wasting much time, we will start our session. Just 2 things we'll have to remember, that whatever we do it mindfully, and we feel every movement we make. We try to bring our mind to this present moment. Mind is very strong and keeps wandering here and there, but we have to bring it back to home to feel that serenity, to feel that bliss. And we learn simple techniques. We use our breath, we use our body movement to be mindful, and we also learn how we can be mindful in day-to-day living, including while eating, sleeping or drinking. And with that mindfulness, we can make our life blissful. So I hope you all remember and do that every day and experience the bliss life has to offer. Thank you so much again for joining today. Let's start our session. Keep both the palm open to the sky like this. Gently close your eyes. Become aware of your body. Become aware of your face. Become aware of your palm. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly let it go. With next long and deep breath, we will chant Am 3 times. Suresh ji, welcome. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breathing. Take long and deep breath in. Feel your both the palm from inside. Bring your mind to home, which is in the body. Feeling the sensation on our palm, training our mind to be anchored in the present moment. This mind keeps wandering here and there. Even when we are sleeping, it wanders in dream. It never has rest, and only place it can rest is into the present moment. When it rests, it becomes more sharper, more brighter, enjoying everything life has to offer. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Slowly, slowly turn your head towards left, feeling the movement of your head as much as possible. Bringing right palm slowly, slowly, touching the right cheek. Feel the touch of your right cheek onto the palm. Become aware of all the sensation like heat and cold, and gently press your cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. Feel the movement of the palm. Opposite side as much as possible. Left palm onto the left cheek. Pressing the left cheek onto the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly palm going down. Coming towards center. Both the palm onto the forehead. Pressing forehead onto the palm, feeling the stretch in neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the movement, anchor your mind into the present moment by feeling all the movements of body. Going again towards left. Putting palm onto the right cheek. Feeling the touch of palm, pressing 1, 2. Press your cheek onto the palm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Towards right as much as possible. Left palm going to the left cheek. Pressing onto the cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly hand going down. Coming to the center. Bringing both the palm onto the forehead. Pressing our forehead onto the palm. Agna Chakra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again slowly, slowly going down. with Vishuddhi Chakra, taking chin to the chest, going down, and from right side, feeling the rotation going up, back as much as possible, coming down, and then going reverse. Keep your eyes closed and feel the movement going back, coming down, again to center and going back. Again coming down, going back, one more last time. Anchor your mind into the present moment. Now both the palm onto the knee, upside down, making rotations with the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the shoulder blade touching each other. Feel the palm on your knee. Opposite. Heart chakra, anahata. Both the palm onto the left thigh. Pressing as much as possible, feeling the stretch in rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go as much as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again bringing back to opposite side. 1, 2, 3. With my counting, try to go as much as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again going opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for Manipuraka chakra, going towards left knee, trying to touch our forehead, feeling the stretch 1 inch above navel. Again going back, then going to center. Anchor your mind into the present moment, going back. Become aware of the thoughts, become aware of the emotions towards right, and become aware of the movement without saying good or bad. Just observe your own mind, observe your own body. Going back, again coming down, going back, right, going back. Now I'll do full rotation from left, center and right. Left, center, right. Feel the rotations. Become aware of your own mind, body, without creating any judgment, not analyzing, going back, again going down. Opposite. Become aware of your mind, thoughts, rotation of your body. Just become aware, don't judge, analyze, or say good or bad. Everything will come and go. Feel the rotation of your body. Going down. Relax. Now Swadhisthana Chakra. Left leg straight. Put right leg onto the left leg. Pressing to chest. 1, 2. Eyes closed. Feel the Swadhisthana Chakra just above your genitals. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Opposite leg. Up, down, 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 up, down. Now we'll do Shishupal Asana, rocking baby pose. Right leg onto the left hand, pressing as close to your chest, observing Mooladhara Chakra, root chakra at the tip of your tailbone. Keeping eyes gently closed, whole attention at the tip of tailbone. Kissing the babies on toes with opposite leg. Bring as close to your chest. Eyes closed. Feel the root chakra, Mooladhara chakra. Kiss the baby on the toe. The next one is called butterfly pose. This helps us with sitting for longer duration. Many of us find difficult to sit down for longer duration, and in yoga sadhana it is very important that we can sit for longer hours. Many people think that yoga and meditation is to be done when they are old. In fact, if you are old, it's very difficult to sit in one asana still. Go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Feel the movement of your leg. Today we are going to do Anapana. Also we are going to do Vipassana meditation, which is the next part of Anapana. Relax. Keep your back straight. We are going to do pranayam, 3 pranayam, Bhastrika, Kapalbharti and Anulom Vilom. Keep both the hand beside your shoulder, mouth gently closed. We are going to forcefully breathe in and out. This will bring lot of much needed oxygen into your body, rejuvenating body cell. Oxygen is a food for our cells, and when we put more oxygen, it rejuvenates our body on cellular level. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out. Take long and deep breath. Breathe in, out, in, long and deep breathe in and long and deep breathe out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Take your attention to your brain and experience the revitalization process. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, in, 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 out. Relax. Hold attention on your palm. Anchor your mind onto the palm. In other words, anchor your mind into the present. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Relax. Become aware of the sensation on your palm, tingling sensation, blood flow. Observe your palm. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Become aware of the peace surrounding you. Kapalbharti, only exhaling by pushing the stomach in, mouth closed. Inhalation will happen automatically. Push all the carbon dioxide out. Start. Relax. Acknowledge the silence surrounding you. Acknowledge the peace surrounding you. Acknowledge the abundant availability of peace and the silence. We acknowledge that all the disturbance and noise is in our head. Outside it is very peaceful and blissful. When we tune our mind, body and energy to this bliss, suddenly we see burst of peacefulness, blissfulness inside us, and we want to achieve this state of being throughout our day. Start again. Relax. Again acknowledge the peace and the silence surrounding you, the vastness of it, the abundance of it. Observe your own stillness. Observe your mind and body as a third person. One more last time, start. Relax. Again acknowledge the peace and blissfulness which is available outside. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing, putting right thumb onto the right nostril, taking long and deep breathing. Closing the left nostril with pinky finger and exhaling through right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Using alternate nostrils. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Breathe out. Using alternate nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Keep doing breathe in and breathe out using alternate nostril. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out, deep breathe in, deep breathe out, long and deep breathe in, long and deep breathe out, long and deep breathe in, long and deep breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Keep your both the palm open onto your lap, back straight, and repeat after me. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not the body. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Emotions keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Thoughts keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Body keep changing. Mind keep changing. Emotions keep changing. Emotions keep changing. I never change. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. I'm not the body. Not even the mind. I'm not the body. I'm not even the mind. Keep your back straight, neck little bit tilted. Eyes gently closed. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly let it go. With next long deep breathing, we'll chant arms 7 times by opening our mouth. Take long and deep breathing. While doing humming, keep teeth on teeth. Take long and deep breathing. 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 Sit silently. Keep your back erect. Neck little bit tilted up. Just become observer of your own body and mind without judging, labeling, or analyzing. Just become observer of all your thoughts, all your emotions, all the sensation on body. Just become observer as a third person. Take your attention at the entrance of your nostril, observing natural incoming breath, observing natural outgoing breath. We are not doing pranayam, we are not inhaling or exhaling. We are just observing the natural incoming breath and natural outgoing breath. सारा ध्यान अपनी नासिकाओं पर केंद्रित करते हुए हर एक सांस के आवागमन को जाने। Natural breath. Just become aware of breath coming in, going out, going out. Try to feel the touch of air inside your nostril. Natural breath. The breath is coming in, going out, coming in, going out. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। Watch your breath consistently coming in and out. Watch the entire length of your breath from start to finish, finish to start. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे। Some of you might notice the breath is coming from right nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from left nostril. Some of you might notice the breath is coming from both the nostrils. Don't try to change it, just observe. If breath is coming from right nostril, let it come from right nostril. If breath is only happening from left nostril, let it happen from left nostril. If breath is happening from both the nostrils, just observe, don't try to change it. Some of you might notice that your breath is long. Some of you might notice your breath is short. Don't try to change it. Just observe the incoming breath, observe the outgoing breath. सांस अगर दाहिनी नासिका से आ रही है तो दाहिनी नासिका से आ रही है। सांस अगर बाई नासिका से आ रही है तो बाई नासिका से आ रही है। सांस अगर दोनों नासिका से आ रही है तो दोनों नासिका से आ रही है। बस जानते रहें, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहें। एक भी सांस बिना आपके जानकारी के आने ना पाए, एक भी सांस आपके जानकारी के जाने ना पाए। Breath is coming in, coming in, coming in. Breath is going out, going out, going out. बस यही जानना है। Become aware the entire length of incoming breath. Become aware of entire length of outgoing breath from start to finish, finish to start. Very vigilant. Create no aversion or craving for any pleasant or unpleasant sensation, noise or disturbance. Accept the present moment as it is. Train your mind to accept the present moment as it is. Keep your attention steadfastly fixed at the entrance of the nostril, like a watchman, like a gatekeeper, observing every incoming breath, observing every outgoing breath. जानते रहे, निरंतरता पूर्वक जानते रहे. Very vigilant. If mind wanders away, bring it back and start again. मन भटक जाए तो फिर वापस ले आए. सांस की पूरी लंबाई की जानकारी होती रहे. एक एक सांस का पहरा होता रहे. एक एक सांस की पहरेदारी होती रहे. एक भी सांस बिना जानकारी के अंदर आने ना पाए, जाने ना पाए. Become very vigilant, very diligent. Observe your breath consistently, going in, going in, going in, coming out, coming out, coming out. जानते रहे. Now take your attention to your forehead and scan your forehead for any kind of sensation. Some of you might feel heat, some of you might feel cold, some of you might feel itching sensation. But don't try to change anything, just become observer. Become observer of the nature of sensation, which is impermanence. सारा ध्यान अपने माथे पर ले जाते हुए माथे पर की एक एक संवेदनाओं को जाने और उसे बदलने की कोशिश ना करें. Scan your forehead from right to left, left to right. Observing the impermanent nature of sensation. No matter how unpleasant the sensation is, like itching, but you still don't itch and just observe that any sensation comes, stays this for some time, and it's bound to go because the nature, the sensation is impermanent. Observe this impermanence on your own experience. Scanning forehead. Some of you might feel cold on the forehead. Some of you might feel touch of the air. Some of you might feel heat on the forehead. Some of you might feel itching on the forehead. But don't try to change it. Just observe. Take your attention to the top of your nose. Take your attention to your right cheek and scan your right cheek for any kind of sensation and don't try to change it. Take attention to the left cheek and scan your left cheek for any kind of sensation, pleasant or unpleasant, but don't try to change it. Observe the nature of sensation, which is impermanent. Take your attention to your chin. Observe your chin for any kind of sensation. Don't try to change any sensation, just observe the nature of sensation, whether it's pleasant or unpleasant. It's bound to go. Take attention to your right ear and scan your right ear for any kind of sensation. Don't try to change it. Take your attention to your left ear. Scan your left ear for any kind of sensation, pleasant or unpleasant. Observe the nature of sensation. Even if it is itching, don't itch. Just observe the sensation will come, stay for some time, and will go back. Impermanent is the nature of sensation. Now become aware of your eyes and experience the sensation onto the eyes, like heaviness, lightness, warmth, cold. Just become observer. Don't try to change anything. You will notice that any sensation, whether pleasant or unpleasant, will stay there for some time and it's bound to go sooner or later. It's a nature of sensation. If the unpleasant sensation comes, don't create aversion that it should go, it should go. If a pleasant sensation comes, don't create craving that it should stay, it should stay. Whether it's pleasant or unpleasant, just observe it as a third person and you will see that it will stay there for some time and then disappear. Now take your attention to your face and scan your entire face for any kind of sensation like touch of air, itching sensation, pleasant sensation, unpleasant sensation. Just observe the entire face without creating any aversion or any craving for pleasant or unpleasant sensation. Become aware of entire face and observe the sensation happening onto the entire face. Just relax and observe your mind and body as a third person without judging, analyzing, or comparing. Watch your entire face and body for any kind of sensation. Do not react to that sensation. Observe the silence. Acknowledge its abundant availability. Acknowledge that all the disturbance is in our head. Outside it is so blissful and peaceful. Just observe your own self. Observe your thoughts. Without comparing, judging or analyzing. Just become observer. मेरे अर्जित पुण्य में भाग सभी का होए, इस मंगलमय धर्म का लाभ सभी को होए, सबका मंगल होए, सबका मंगल होए, सबका मंगल होए। तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल, सबका मंगल होए रे। जिस गुरुदेव ने धर्म सिखाया, उनका मंगल होए रे। जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है, उसका मंगल होए रे। पाला पोसा और बढ़ाया, उस पिता का मंगल होए रे। जल में, स्थल में और गगन में, सब प्राणी सुखिया होए रे। अंतर मन की गाठे टूटे, अंतर निर्मल होए रे। सबका मंगल होए रे, सबका मंगल होए रे, सबका मंगल होए रे। Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel blissful, you may open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining this evening. We'll meet now on Monday. I wish you all have a lovely weekend. Before going, I am going to play a bhajan, a beautiful song which you will like. And if you are online, you may want to say hi, hello, so I can respond. Or you can share your experience. I am online next 5 to 10 minutes. So let's sing a bhajan, and once the bhajan finishes, our session finishes, and then I will see you on Monday evening again 6:30. Let's hear the bhajan.
नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। प्यार है, साए में उसके सुकून कितना, दुनिया का नूर है ना तुमसे दूर है, पाकीज़गी में वो है बसता। रूए खुदा का है आसरा, वही तो है पनाह ये जहां उसका है। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग, वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग। रब से मोहब्बत कर, उसकी इबादत कर, उसने ही दी है हमें जिंदगी, उसके करम से हर वचन से राहों पे तेरी गिरेगी रोशनी। सबको तू माफ कर, खुद ना इंसाफ कर, उस पे तो हक बस खुदा का ही है। तू औरों से इस कदर मिल, जैसे तू चाहे वो तुझसे मिले। कहे यीशुआ तू ईमान ला, तो पर्वत भी तेरे हुक्म पे चलेगा। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग, वो तो है तेरे दिल में, हाँ तू क्यों बाहर उसे ढूंढता। नेकी की राहों पे तू चल, रब्बा रहेगा तेरे संग।
Thank you so much for joining. I will see you Monday evening. Till then, have a good long weekend.